Hello everybody and Merry Christmas. You remember that Sorcerer supplement that I promised I was going to get out like several months ago? Well, Merry Christmas, we're releasing it. That didn't take forever at all. No, we got that out in a reasonable amount of time. But seriously, we are actually releasing the supplement on the DM's Guild for free as a Christmas gift. I really wanted to thank all of my subscribers and just thank you for everything that you've done for me. It will be absolutely free. If you want to spend any money or donate anything, you can do so, and I would be very thankful, but it is absolutely not necessary. This is a gift to all of you. Is it going to be the absolutely most life-changing thing you've ever seen? I hope so. I don't know. We worked really hard on it. We worked really hard on it. So go download it now, and hopefully you guys can enjoy this awesome Christmas gift, and I hope that it is everything you've been waiting for, and it was worth the several month wait. But please, go download it. Please. He'll be so angry if you don't. Just go download it. You gotta download it. Just go.